Now, let's talk about the Hyundai Kona Electric. This compact SUV brings electric driving to the masses, affordable but loaded with features, heated seats, modern touchscreen, wireless charging, and adaptive cruise control, all standard. Up to 415 kilometers of range means daily commutes and weekend trips are easy. The cabin is roomy, comfortable, and packed with tech like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Instant torque makes city driving fun, and the ride is smooth and quiet. Charging is simple at home or on the go, and Hyundai's warranty adds peace of mind. Bold design and fun color options help the Kona stand out. It's practical, efficient, and proves you don't need luxury money for a great EV. For anyone curious about going electric, the Kona Electric is an excellent entry point. It's the affordable game changer in the electric SUV world. Let's talk about why electric SUVs matter. Sustainability. Zero tailpipe emissions mean every drive helps cut our carbon footprint. Automakers are using recycled and eco-friendly materials inside their vehicles. Charging is getting greener, with more renewable energy powering the grid. Battery tech is improving. Longer life, better recycling, less waste. Cleaner air in cities means healthier communities. Sustainability is at the heart of the EV movement. Every electric drive is a step toward a cleaner future. There's still work to do, but the progress is real. Electric SUVs are about more than tech. They're about making a difference. Let's talk performance. Because electric SUVs are seriously fun to drive. Forget everything you thought you knew about SUVs being slow or clunky. The new generation of electric SUVs is rewriting the rulebook, blending practicality with a thrilling driving experience. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just someone who wants a smooth, effortless commute, these vehicles deliver in ways that might surprise you. Instant torque means acceleration is smooth, silent, and quick. The moment you press the pedal, you feel a surge of power, no lag, no waiting for gears to shift. It's a sensation that's both exhilarating and addictive, making every green light an opportunity to experience that signature EV rush. The Tesla Model Y rockets off the line, and even family trims are fast. You don't have to buy the top performance model to enjoy impressive acceleration. Even the standard versions can outpace many traditional gas-powered SUVs, making merging onto highways or overtaking traffic a breeze. Low-mounted batteries give EVs a low center of gravity for better handling. This means tighter cornering, less body roll, and a more planted feel on the road. Whether you're navigating twisty mountain roads or just taking a sharp turn in the city, you'll notice the difference in stability and confidence. The Audi e-tron's adaptive air suspension keeps the ride composed on any road. It automatically adjusts to bumps and potholes, so you and your passengers stay comfortable even when the pavement isn't perfect. This technology makes long drives less tiring and city commutes more pleasant. The Kona Electric is nimble and perfect for city driving. Its compact size and responsive steering make parking and maneuvering through tight spaces effortless. You get the benefits of an SUV's higher seating position and cargo space without sacrificing agility. Regenerative braking adds control and helps recharge the battery. Every time you slow down, the system captures energy that would otherwise be lost, feeding it back into the battery. It's not just efficient, it also gives you a unique, one-pedal driving feel that many drivers come to love. The quiet cabin lets you enjoy music or just the peace of the drive. With no engine noise, conversations are easier and your favorite playlist sounds better than ever. It's a calm, serene environment that turns every trip into a relaxing escape from the outside world. All-wheel drive is common, giving you traction in any condition. Rain, snow, or gravel, electric SUVs are built to handle it all. The instant response of electric motors to changing road conditions means you get confidence and safety, no matter where your journey takes you. Performance and sustainability go hand in hand, no compromises. You get the thrill of driving a high-performance vehicle while also knowing you're making a positive impact on the environment. It's a win-win for drivers who care about both excitement and responsibility. Electric SUVs prove you can have fun and be responsible. They're perfect for families, adventurers, and anyone who wants to enjoy the road without guilt. The blend of advanced technology and thoughtful design means you don't have to choose between excitement and practicality. If you haven't tried that instant EV acceleration, you're missing out. It's a feeling that's hard to describe until you experience it yourself, like being gently pushed back in your seat with a smile you can't hide. Test drives often turn skeptics into believers in just a few seconds. These SUVs are changing what it means to enjoy driving. they're not just about getting from point A to point B, they're about making every journey memorable, exciting, and sustainable. The future of driving is here, and it's electrifying. Space is where electric SUVs shine. Batteries under the floor mean more cabin room, more legroom, more headroom, and a flat floor. Massive cargo space, optional third-row seats, and extra storage in the front. Easy loading, no transmission tunnel, and flexible seating for families or gear. Heated and ventilated seats, power adjustments, and smart storage everywhere. Tech features like USB ports and powered liftgates make life easier. Pets, strollers, sports gear. There's room for it all. Many models can even tow, matching traditional SUVs for versatility. Electric SUVs prove you don't have to give up practicality for greener driving. That's the world of electric SUVs. Powerful, practical, and paving the way for a cleaner future. From luxury to value, there's never been a better time to consider making the switch. What do you think? Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay charged. Let's kick things off with a vehicle that's become almost legendary even before its official release, the Tesla Cybertruck. This isn't just another pickup, it's a bold statement from Tesla, a company known for shaking up the automotive world. The Cybertruck's arrival has sparked endless debates, memes, and anticipation, making it one of the most talked-about vehicles of the decade. The Cybertruck's sharp angles, stainless steel exoskeleton, and armored glass make it look like it rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie. Its design is unlike anything else on the road, with a futuristic, almost alien presence that turns heads wherever it goes. The body is made from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, giving it a rugged durability that's built to withstand dents, dings, and even sledgehammer blows. But it's not just about looks. This truck is a powerhouse. Underneath that angular shell lies a beast of an electric drivetrain, engineered for both speed and strength. The tri-motor version rockets from 0 to 60 in under 2.9 seconds, with a range of up to 805 kilometers. That's performance that rivals some of the world's fastest sports cars, yet it's wrapped in the body of a pickup. Whether you're merging onto the highway or leaving everyone in the dust at a stoplight, the Cybertruck delivers instant torque and exhilarating acceleration. That's supercar speed and road trip range, all in a pickup. Imagine driving from city to city, or even across states, without worrying about frequent charging stops. The Cybertruck is designed for adventure, whether you're exploring the great outdoors or just running errands around town. It's built for real work too. Over 3,500 pounds of payload, 14,000 pounds of towing, adaptive air suspension, and a tough bed that's ready for anything. Whether you're hauling construction materials, towing a boat, or loading up for a weekend camping trip, the Cybertruck is engineered to handle it all with ease. And even an onboard air compressor. That means you can inflate your tires, power your tools, or handle unexpected roadside repairs without needing extra equipment. Inside, you get a minimalist dash, yoke steering, seating for 6, and a spacious, airy cabin that feels more like a spaceship than a traditional truck. The interior is designed for comfort and utility, with plenty of room for passengers and gear, and a massive touchscreen that controls everything. From navigation to entertainment, climate control to vehicle settings, it's all at your fingertips, making the driving experience intuitive and high-tech. Over-the-air updates mean the Cybertruck keeps getting smarter. Tesla can add new features, improve performance, and fix bugs remotely, so your truck evolves and improves long after you drive it off the lot. Tesla's not just making a truck, they're redefining what a truck can be. The Cybertruck challenges every expectation, blending utility, performance, and cutting-edge technology in a way that's never been seen before. Whether you love or hate the design, it's a bold symbol of the EV revolution. The Cybertruck dares to be different, and that's exactly what's driving conversation and excitement around the world. The Cybertruck is targeting the heart of the pickup market, flipping every truck stereotype on its head. It's not just for tech enthusiasts, it's for anyone who wants a vehicle that's tough, capable, and ready for the future. It's a rolling tech platform, ready for the future, with autonomous driving features, advanced connectivity, and a design that's years ahead of its time. The Cybertruck is more than just a vehicle. It's a glimpse at what's next for transportation. Next, let's see how Lucid Motors is pushing the boundaries of luxury and range, taking electric vehicles to